to respectable audience. 9 and 7. 9 divided by 7. It is not divisible because 9 is not exactly divisible by 7. So there is a problem. So first of all, we will solve this parenthesis according to PEMDAS rule. Then division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to move from left to right. So we have division, multiplication and parentheses. So let us come to solve it. 9 divided by 7 times, first of all, parentheses. So 9 minus 2 will be equal to 7. Now solve this one because we have to move from left to right. So division will be performed first. If you perform multiplication first, you will get 9 over 49. But 9 over 49 is not correct. So let us come to solve this one. It is not exactly divisible, so we can write it in this way, 9 over 7 and multiplied by 7 as it is. Okay. Now you have observed that 7 and 7 are here multiplicative inverse, so they are being cancelled and we will get 9 as correct answer for this question. Thank you for your big support.